In this video, we'll give you a quick introductory guide on how to access and navigate programming for your ePOC servers and terminals using the Dealer Portal, which is a web-based management tool for all Entel POC devices, such as DN radios and gateways, and it also provides access to your POC server. The portal allows configuration of DN radio and gateway settings, which are then applied with an over-the-air update known as an OTA. In addition, the POC server is where the user accounts and channels that govern the devices is configured and edited. To get started, go to the portal web address of pocentel.co.uk and register for an account by simply clicking on the register link at the top of the page. Then fill out and submit the registration form. Please remember to include your Entel account number and the email address and password that you will use to log in to the portal. After verification, you will receive a confirmation email and then you will be able to log into the portal. After successfully logging in, you will see the portal homepage. Then, from this page, click on the Server button and then click on the Manage Existing Servers drop-down box to load the server management page. You will now see your POC servers listed with links to manage settings for radios or to log in to the POC server. To view or edit the radio configuration, click on the Manage Radios link. Entel devices such as DN radios and gateways that are currently provisioned on this POC server are listed by serial number in a table. Click on the pencil Edit button next to each device to view and edit the current settings. This page also displays the current firmware version, SIM number, and last seen online date. After making the required changes to the settings, remember to click the Update button to save the changes and send an OTA update to the device. Settings from one radio can also be copied to others, or all if required, as shown. So far, we have been editing radio configuration, updated via OTAs from the Entel provisioning server. Now, we'll show you how to access the POC server itself, which is where the user accounts for all devices, including dispatchers and phone apps, are managed. From the Manage Servers page, click the Edit Server link to launch and log into tCommander, the web-based POC server portal. Note the server address from the browser address bar, and this first page is where you can view the server port number, the number of users currently online, and the maximum number of configurable radios, phones, and dispatchers. Click on the Servers panel on the left-hand side of the page, and this will expand a menu from where user accounts and channels are viewed and edited. Click on the Users tab to view configured user accounts, which are listed in alphanumeric order according to the username. The user alias is also shown here. To edit, highlight a username and click the Edit button from the toolbar above. Accounts for DN495 radios and gateways use their serial number as the username and password for ePOC servers, and a user alias is used for the radio's display name, which can be edited under the User Authentication tab as shown here. Other commonly configured user settings for DN radios are allowing GPS tracking, individual calling, setting the default group or channel, and emergency calls. Always remember to save the changes before closing the user edit window. The POC server is responsible for the channels, also known as groups, that the devices will use. To view and edit the currently configured channels, click Channels from the left-hand menu. To edit a channel name, simply highlight the channel and click the Edit button from the toolbar. As with user accounts, remember to save changes before closing the window. Also from the toolbar, channels can easily be added or deleted, but after saving the changes, a server restart is also required for the new configuration to be applied. When a server restart is pending, a red symbol is displayed in the Service tab. Click here and follow the on-screen prompts to restart the server. But please note that this will force all connected devices to reconnect, interrupting any ongoing calls, so it's best to do this out of working hours if possible. Please refer to the knowledge base articles found on the technical support desk if you require more detailed guides on server or radio configuration.